Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from an Apple gift card to Cash App. First, you need to know that you cannot directly transfer an Apple gift card to Cash App. Apple gift cards can only be used for Apple services. So the only way to get cash is to sell the gift card. Go to a trusted gift card selling platform like CardCash, Cardtonic, or any legit site available in your region. Create an account, choose Apple gift card, enter the amount, and follow the steps to sell it. Once your card is verified, the site will send your payout to your bank account or another payout method you choose. After you receive the money in your bank, open Cash App, tap Add Cash, choose the amount and add the money from your linked bank account. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from an Apple gift card to Cash App. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.